Hi, dear students. I'm Jalisha, Assistant Professor, Department of Mathematics, St. Joseph's College of Arts and Science for Women, Hosur. In the last video, I've explained you how to find the PDNF value of a given proportion formula using truth table. In this video, we are going to see how to find PDNF value using the equivalence formulas. Let's move into the topic. So this is the method 2 for obtaining PDNF using equivalence formulas. First step in this method is we need to replace the tends to or biconditional forms into cap, cup or its negation form. So first we need to identify if any conditional or biconditional terms are there, means we need to change in this form. In the second step, if any negation is in common, applying De Morgan's law, we can made into the bracket and we need to simplify. The third step is we need to check the elementary products because we are giving the PDNF. So bracket values will be with cap. DNF means disjunctive, so cup will be in common. So the elementary products we need to have, which are a contradiction. Then we need to get the min terms in disjunction with the help of introducing the missing factors. So here for missing factors, if suppose x and y are the two variables and in one bracket you are having negation x, disjunction means common. So here you are having y. So here cup is common, so we can think this itself is a negation. But what about how many variables are here? Two variables. As per the PDNF's concept, for each bracket, two variables should be there either in the actual form or in negation form. So we can convert this negation x as making, we know the formula p cap p cap t will be equal to p. So this negation x can be equivalently written as negation x cap t. Okay, now we need to change this t into the missing term. So we know t is equivalent to any term p cup negation p, or you can apply instead of p q cup negation p is also equivalent to t, because t we will get when a term and its negation is applied, we'll get the value of t. So for this t we are going to put, already negation x is there, cap. For that t we'll apply the missing term. What is the missing term here? Y. So instead of t, how we need to apply a term cup its negation. Here the missing term is y, so y cup with its negation. Now apply negation x cap y inside. So what you'll get? Negation, here I am writing negation x cap y, this is cap, negation x cap y, and what is the common term here? Cup. So it will come out as cup, and again the negation x is applied with cup inside with negation y. So second bracket you will get negation x cap negation y. Now this output, two brackets, both x and y forms are there. So likewise we need to fix the missing factors. Now let's move into the next slide. Here an example problem is given. We have an expression negation x cup y. For this we need to identify the PDNF. So negation x cup y is taken. This is equivalent to, already in the last slide I have explained, uh, cup is the common term for PDNF. So that is already here. So left side of cup is only x term and the right side of cup is only y term. But for PDNF, both the variables should be present in its left side brackets and the right side value. So for the left side value negation x, we are pairing it with cap t, because x cap negation x cap t is equivalent to negation x only, so there will be no meaning change. Similarly y, there is a missing of x term, so it is taken as y is equivalent to y cap t. Now for this t, we need to apply the missing term. Last slide I have explained. So based on that, in this bracket, the missing term is y. So instead of t, it is equivalent to y cup negation y. If x is the missing term, means we can apply here x cup negation x. So here the missing is y, so we applied that term. Now coming with the second bracket y cap t, t is used for applying the missing term. Here missing is x factor, so x cup negation x. Okay. Now come with the first bracket value. So this is the first bracket. So we need to apply negation x cap y. That is the first min term. Then cup will comes in common. Next you need to apply negation x cap negation y. That will be the second bracket. Then this cup will be as such. Again this last bracket need to be solved or simplified. So what you'll get, y cap x, then cup will comes in common. Again you'll get y cap negation x. So that is the last bracket. Now just check any repetitions are there. See here negation x y, here negation x negation y, here y cap x, whereas in the last bracket negation x and y are there. So first and last term are same. What is idempotent law? P cup, P is equivalent to P. Same term is joined with cup or cap, it can be counted into one time. So here this and the first term are same and they are joined with cup terms. So you can count it for one time. So here actually we'll get only three answers. Negation x. So finally we get negation x cap y cup, negation x cap negation y cup, y cap x. In order, a commutative property means changing the order, it will not cause any effect. It is equivalent property. So y cap x can be written as x cap y here, because if the things are noted in an order means it will be easy to say the answer. For just that purpose we are here changing the order. Why we are leaving the last one? Already as per this law, that is idempotent law, the first and last term are same, so we are counting it as one time, that is represented in the first place. So this is the PDNF, because we are expressing the problem in two variables. So the final things, all the min terms, bracket values are having both x and y factor either in the actual or negation form. In the same format here, one more question is given, x cap y cup, negation x cap z, cup y cap z. Here what is the difference? In that we are having only two variables, here we are having three variables. So three variables means each bracket should contain three variables. See here, first bracket is having only two, the missing is z. So for that missing, we are considering cap t in that bracket. Likewise, each bracket we are applying cap t. While applying this, there will be no cause in the meaning change because it is an equivalent formula. Now instead of t, we need to apply the cup format of the missing term. So Z, first bracket Z is the missing. So Z cup negation Z is applied. Similarly, second Y missing, and in the last X is missing. So here we have applied those things. And as in earlier problem, here what you need to do is X cap Y cap Z is paired. Then cup will be the common term. Again, what you need to give X cap Y cap negation is it. Likewise, you need to express the other two common brackets. You'll get the min terms. Again, you need to check any repetition of the brackets are there. If so, then using idempotent law, we need to have it in one time. So finally, we get the PDNF. So if you are saying the thing is in PDNF format, means all the variables should be in the min-term bracket. PCNF means all the max terms should be present. That we can go in the next video. So here are some practice questions. Please practice it. Thank you all for watching the video. Next video is about PCNF methods. Thank you.